You can't sleep. You can almost hear the clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. You look at your alarm and see the time getting closer and closer to morning. That makes you not be able to sleep even more. You need to get to sleep, and now. Today we're going to talk about herbal remedies for sleep insomnia. But first, if you like natural healing with herbs and oils, subscribe to the channel. Almost everyone has heard of melatonin. A natural hormone released by your body that tells your brain that it's time to sleep. The development and release period of this hormone is affected by the time of day when the levels of melatonin naturally increase in the evening and fall in the morning. Melatonin supplements, especially in cases where the melatonin cycle is interrupted, such as shift work or jet lag, have become a common sleeping aid for this reason. In addition, in people with sleep disorders, melatonin can improve the overall quality of sleep. In particular, how long it takes to get to sleep, and people using this tend to get more sleep. When used for short or long periods of time, melatonin supplements tend to be safe for adults. Valerian is a native Asian and European herb. Its roots are widely used for symptoms of anxiety, depression, and menopause as a natural remedy. Valerian root is also one of the most widely used herbal supplements in the United States and Europe to support sleep. In adults, short-term valerian root intake appears to be healthy, with mild, infrequent side effects. Valerian root is a common supplement that, at least in some individuals, can improve the quality of sleep and symptoms of sleep disorder. More studies on the safety of long-term use are needed. Magnesium is a mineral in the human body involved in hundreds of processes and is essential for the function of the brain and the protection of the heart. Magnesium will also help silence the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. Studies show that the calming effect of magnesium may partly be due to its ability to control melatonin production. It is understood that magnesium relaxes muscles and triggers sleep. On almost all continents, the lavender plant can be found. This produces purple flowers that have a variety of domestic uses when dried. The calming scent of lavender is believed to improve sleep. While lavender aromatherapy is considered healthy, nausea and stomach pain have been associated with the oral ingestion of lavender in some cases. In fact, several studies indicate that by simply smelling lavender oil shortly before sleep, it may improve sleep quality. In those with mild insomnia, especially females and young people, this effect appears particularly strong. Glycine is an amino acid in the nervous system that plays a significant role. It can also help improve sleep, studies show. It is unclear exactly how this works, but glycine is thought to operate in part by decreasing body temperature at bedtime, meaning that it is time to sleep. You can naturally increase your body's glycine levels by consuming such foods as eggs, chicken, fish, meat, cabbage, kale, spinach, and fruits such as kiwi and bananas. Or you can buy glycine as a powder that can be dissolved in water or a pill form. In some individuals, passion flower tea or extract can help improve sleep quality slightly. The proof is mixed, however, and some studies have found no results. More studies are, therefore, required. Sleep promotion can also be supported by tryptophan, ginkgo biloba, and L-theanine. Which of these herbal remedies have you tried for sleep? Please share in the comments.